Hey everyone, it's me Sameen here. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is really special because recently Aliya Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor got married, and the interesting point is Aliya Bhatt no makeup look on her wedding is on trending now. So let's create her wedding look. Her wedding look was so natural. So let's start from the brows. I am using Huda Beauty eyebrow pencil and going to fill my eyebrows with this pencil to get a natural look. As you can see, I am using the brown side of this pencil. Please ignore the extra hair of my eyebrows. To create this look, I am using these brushes. You can check this video on my channel. And using Dermacol light base in ivory shade. This is super cool for the summer. Now I am going to knead my brows with the help of this Dermacol base.
Since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in.
If you are new, please don't forget to like this video and share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all notifications.
Since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in. Since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go.
The next I am applying a nude pancake in the ivory shade. As you can see, the shade is changed now.
Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keep.
To create this eye makeup look, I am using Fab Factory these three shades, and first I am going to apply the first one on my brow bone, because the brow bone and inner eye was not highlighted in Aliya Bhatt's look. The blending is most important in this look.
So now I'm moving on. I don't.
Now I am applying the second shade of my crease, because the Aliya Bhatt has hooded eyes. The crease is not, but you can apply this shade on your brow bone like this. And now I am applying the third one and the darker shade on my eyelid to keep blending for the best and natural results.
Wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go.
The next I am going to apply a number 2 and 3 shade on my lower lash line with the help of brush. Now the next time is I am using this Sorma, and you can say a dried kajal powder, and I am applying the half on eyelid or in my eyes like this. Now I am using this small brush to get a natural look, and I am blending this kajal powder or the Sorma with this brush. Now it's time to curl the lashes. Aliya Bhatt did not apply the fake lashes, so we will work on the natural lashes. First, curl your lashes nicely and then apply a double coat of your favorite mascara on your lashes. So here you can see the best result of this natural makeup. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all notification. I'll see you soon with a brand new one. Take care of yourself. Bye guys.
Since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny.